Kyle, Todd here.
Connie here.
And we are in Forest City, North Carolina to see the Christmas lights. This is our first time here, and it is slam.
Packed, guys.
Yeah, so it should be a lot of fun.
Lots of lights.
A lot of lights. So
Yeah.
we're going to walk around and show you the town. Let's go. And people are driving through right now. Check out the lights. It looks great here. Turn around here. Yeah, we'll go up and down each side, and we're actually gonna grab some dinner too. We haven't had anything to eat, but it is packed. And when you come to Forest City, you kind of feel like you go back in time too. I love the old buildings, and you feel like you're kind of in the 40s and 50s, especially with the Christmas lights. And they have the Christmas playing all through the town, on the streets. One restaurants are just slammed right here. Copper Penny is just slammed with people waiting for tables. But yeah, this is a lot of fun. We wanted to come up here the last couple of years. I am so happy we finally made it. Oh, look at the carriage rides are coming through. Got two of them. Let's get these guys. And beautiful horses too. Yeah, we gotta watch out because the music can demonetize us. But check this. I mean, you're definitely in the Christmas spirit when you come here. Look at them, beautiful. Yeah, that looks great. Hey, Merry Christmas. They're beautiful. Hey. They're awesome. Oh, the three. Yeah, not just two. Yeah, three carriages going through. It's cold too. It's like 35 degrees right now. Look how pretty he is. They're beautiful. Yeah, look at them. They're big boys too.
Oh, yeah.
Almost.
Wow.
Yeah, big.
Funny.
Yeah. He was looking at a camera. He knew he was getting on film.
Yeah.
This is great, but you just have the beautiful small town feel here, and just everybody's coming to have a good time. We almost had a we almost had a viral video. He almost went down face first, but that was great. But hopefully, yeah, he's okay. Yeah, he didn't go all the way down, but we got that. But look at the trees over there and all the beautiful lights. Yeah, it's wonderful. You love this?
Yeah.
Isn't this nice?
It's nice.
We're just going to enjoy our walk through town.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really nice. I just love it here. This is great. Oh yeah, something going on over here too.
Yeah.
I need to walk over there, honey. I just saw this back here. This is some of the newer areas. I haven't been here in a few years, so yeah, I'm gonna walk around and just check it all out. Beautiful fountains here. And you get the food trucks. They do have food trucks here. But we're gonna actually try to find a place to sit down and eat something. We're gonna walk back here real quick. But this is the old factory back here. They have like an amphitheater. They do the shows. Got a great photo op back in here as well with a huge ornament. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna walk over here and get a shot of that. But they're waiting in line. Get a picture with the ornament. So walk over here real quick. Oh, that's real nice. Then we got an amphitheater over here. We'll walk over there. Look at the Christmas tree. That's beautiful. Had to walk over here and get a shot of the trees. Beautiful. Great photo op right here too. Kids are having a good time playing. But they've got live music playing right over here. We're going to walk over there. But there's a lot of people out tonight, that is for sure. It's the last weekend before Christmas. You see the town up there too, all the lights. Even the Grinch is here. Have a good time. Hey, Grinch. They're looking pretty serious. I don't want to get on his bad side. But here's some of the live music going on. Oh, that's great. Love it. And there's Santa down there on stage. There's a lion forming over here too. And there's Santa with the kids. This is great. I don't see Mrs. Claus though. Just see Santa. They got a real fireplace going on. Look at the fire going on over there. Keep Santa warm. But yeah, I definitely recommend coming down here to Forest City and checking the lights out, meeting Santa. Here's a line right here to see Santa. It's great. And Connie is waiting back up there for me. Go back up there and get her. Have a cute little house over there with some decorations. But right over here, they have the ice skating ring. I don't think it's not one of the, it's like the real thick plastic, I think they put on there. Yeah. Not real ice. But it looks like it. Everybody's busting their butt. So here, this is the Grinch. The Grinch is over here. And Lucy Lou, yeah, over here. It says under new management. That's pretty fun. That's awesome. But I love that cute little house behind them. And we are back on Main Street. It is packed. People lined up, seeing all the lights. We'll walk over here too. Oh, and there's the dessert place right there. Pie Safe. We're gonna be sure to hit that before we leave. Need another shot of the horses here. They're beautiful. That was great. And these are different horses than we saw earlier. Yeah. How big he is. He's a big boy. He's a beautiful boy. And there's another one here. Connie and I were just talking about what Forest City reminds me of. If you watch A Wonderful Life, yeah, this, because it has the little median there with the trees and everything. All we need now is just the snow.
Hello, Bedford Falls! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, George! Merry Christmas, George! Merry Christmas, movie house! Merry Christmas, Emporium! Merry Christmas, you wonderful Billy alone!
Yeah, we're loving the lights, and it is packed here too. People are having a great time.
Yep.
Everybody's getting in the spirit. We are too. Yeah, it's been great. Get some cool shots right up here of more lights. This one's called the Man Cave over here. Then you get the Woman Cave. Yeah, they are packed tonight. And we are in line at the Pie Safe. Yeah, we get some hot coffee and some dessert to bring home. We might as well grab it now. Yeah, I love this place. The last time I was here, Connie was like, why didn't you grab some dessert? Well, right?
Yeah.
So we're doing that tonight for sure. We'll bring that home. And they have a couple of beautiful trees here too. You can see the lights outside the window. So nice. We have this huge tree right here. About 12-footer right there. That's a big one. The elf is bringing more dessert out. They've been selling like crazy. They got red velvet cake, chocolate cake, cheesecake, and then also looking at the chandelier, admiring that. That's really nice. And we're looking at the desserts here. They have the red velvet chocolate. They also have the Greek quiche. And over there it says eggnog custard pie right there. Wanted to show you some of the cookies. You got the cranberry orange oatmeal cookie. They got the red velvet crinkle cookie, the Grinch cookie, chocolate chip cookie, peanut butter cookie at the end. And up here, look at that pumpkin muffin, and then the gingerbread scone. And we're back out of Pie Safe. We got our desserts, and can't wait to eat those and dig into them. But I wanted to show you more of the lights, of course. Yeah, they're coming in still. All right, we're heading down Main Street. Oh, we get a shot over here real quick. Look at these. Cool, has a fountain and everything. I wanted to walk kind of down here real quick and show you this. Here come the horsies. They're still coming. Oh, there's some characters over there too for Christmas that you can meet. But this is beautiful. Look at the fountain. It's green lights. Very festive. What do you think of this, honey?
Nice.
We'll walk up this way. They're doing something here, some photos. Walk up this way and see the beautiful tree. I love that tree. I've had it in a past video. Look at the there's the snowmen and snow women and the family. But the antique place is right across the street. I'm gonna go over there real quick and look at the characters. Isn't this great? There's get some kettle corn right over there. Yummy. Walk over here and get a shot of this too.
Soft, warm, comfy beds.
That's really, really nice. Got the classic window here with the Mickey and Minnie Mouse in their outfits. And here's some of the characters here. Got Frosty, got an elf. This is so cool. The kids get to see them. Here's a little antique place right here. We're just popping here really super quick. It's warm in here too. And here's the antique store here in Forest City. Let's get a quick shot of it for you guys. So we're back on here on Main Street. The famous pharmacy's up here too, and there's they've also got a arcade museum. You can play arcade games. And it looks like a lot of the retail is actually open tonight for business, which is nice. But yeah, they're lined up. There's so many cars going through. It's so beautiful in here. Yeah, great little town. Love Forest City. We're near the foothills and going towards western North Carolina. Heading down this way, and here's the famous the old-fashioned soda shops right here. So if you're ever in town, there's only certain hours they're open. It's called Smith's Drugs. But here's the famous diner inside the pharmacy, and here are the times and the days. So if you're ever here, check it out. The food's really, really good. I had the hamburger here, and it was awesome. The cool thing about this too, it's like you're stuck back in time, back in the 50s. What do you think? I think it's kind of his first time seeing it. What do you think?
Yeah, this is really.
Isn't that cool?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. You feel like you're back in the 50s. It's great. I'm gonna head down this way. Next door is the arcade museum. Right over here. I'll show you that when we walk by. Here it is right here. So be sure to see that. Go have some lunch, then pop over here to see the arcade. Right here. And they sell pops and everything in the front. Get a quick shot of that. Yeah, here's the inside of the arcade museum. Yeah. Pay one fee and unlimited play for $13 or $8 for 1 hour. Just love seeing everybody in the Christmas spirit here at Forest City. Oh, we got fresh fudge and roasted nuts. Yeah, right over here. Wasn't that cool seeing the ballerinas doing their thing? But we're heading down this way trying to find a place to eat. There's the Hootenanny right there. I think that, I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that's a restaurant or not. Hootenanny might be a shop. Not quite sure. But we're heading back down this way. Okay, so Hootenanny is a restaurant too. I love the paintings on the front of the windows. That's cool. Yeah, he's happy with the beer and the hamburger. Here's the inside of Hootenanny. So we're waiting in line to get something to eat. Well, we're not going to eat at Hootenanny. It's a 2-hour wait. So I hope you guys enjoy the lights. We're going to try to find a place to eat close by. But let me get one more shot here. This has been fun. I do highly recommend you guys come here to Forest City and enjoy all the lights and the festivities. This is so cool.